like you're just doing it alone, even though we know that the Lord is always with us. Pero parang
Let's go.
Nagre-rent din ako sa may Maginhawa. Sa apartment lang din siya. I took the risk to rent for me to mapatunayan ko yung sarili ko na kaya ko magbayad nito.
Oh, yeah.
Yung ganun. So ngayon, namomotivate ako gumawa ng print, magbenta, maghanap ng hustles na talagang seryosohin siya. Kasi before, parang okay, meron pang safety net na hindi naman yung parents ko, ganyan.
Yeah.
Okay, kailangan meron akong kahit paano makuha ang client, tapos may income for this month so that may pangbayad ako. Hindi na ako humihingi ng pangbili ng mga materials ko sa parents ko pagdating sa school, ganyan. Mga pangkain na lang talaga.
Nakabili ka na nga ng motor mo eh.
Yeah.
Hindi totoo talaga yung walang pera sa art.
Oo naman.
Talagang kapag passionate at sinipag mo talaga eh.
Everything is art.
That's true. Kamusta yung philosophical coaching class mo? Yung sinit-in ko.
Okay, coach. Siya sa pinaka, parang naging pahinga ko sa university. Sobrang gaan niya lang na subject. Kasi yung mga tinuturo ni coach, parang somehow sa community natin, natutunan ko na din. Pero sa university kasi, lalo na nung after ng pandemic, parang very individualistic ng mga tao. So parang hirap kumonek, ganyan. Because of that subject, parang nagkaroon ako ng avenue to connect to people again. Ganun. Kasi since irregular ako, so every subjects na papasukan ko, hindi ko kilala yung mga kasama ko, ganyan. Pero because of that subject, it helps me develop again my social life, my social skills.
Yeah, napag-socialize ka with more people. Hindi art, hindi fine arts tulad mo.
Yeah. Parang it create a safe place. Kasi since kung ano nga yung mapag-uusapan doon lang, you really feel that someone is listening to you.
Yeah. To have people there that know what you're going through but is also there supportive of yung yung faith and everything like that. That's nice.
Kaya ako siya look forward kasi parang na-experience ko nga yung being in a secular school, tapos you're a Christian and then you're trying to live out the faith, pero sometimes it felt like you're just doing it alone, even though we know that the Lord is always with us. Pero parang because of that, I experienced it personally na parang nandun nanggagaling yung desire ko to be that person to other people.
Yeah.